Welcome back. So in the previous video, that is what we've been discussing about the module 2, that is velocity and acceleration analysis of the mechanisms. So in the previous we discussed about the velocity of a straight lines and a parallel lines. Then we have been discussed about the motion of the link, how it will be considered for that to form an motion in the vectors. So in this video we are going to discuss about the relative velocity method and velocities in slider crank mechanism. So in this we are going to discuss about the relative velocity method and the velocities in the slider crank mechanism. So first we'll discuss about the relative velocity method. So velocity of a point on a link by a relative velocity method. So we are going to discuss at a particular point on a link by using this relative velocity method. We are going to find out a velocity of a point on a link. So first we need to consider a 2 points AB as on a link as shown in the figure. We'll see this. So AB, first we need to draw in a line of an AB as in a points as shown in the figure. So let the absolute velocity of the point A is vector A is known as a magnitude. So absolute velocity. So this absolute velocity VA. This absolute velocity VA is known as a magnitude. VA is known as a magnitude, and the direction of the absolute velocity of the point B will be VB. So VA will be absolute velocity of the vector VA, and VB is the absolute velocity of the vector B. B in the same is known as direction. Then the velocity of B may be determined by drawing the velocity diagram. So the velocity of the B may be determined by drawing this velocity diagram. We can able to see this velocity diagram. We can able to determine the B by determining the velocity diagram as shown in the figure. So now the velocity diagram is drawn as the follows. So first take some convenient point O known as the pole, that is O known as the pole, what we have been taken O known as a pole. So then we need to through O draw OA parallel to equal OA parallel and equal to VA to some suitable scale. So you can able to see this OA to some suitable scale we have been drawn. So through A draw a line perpendicular to AB. So through a line we need to draw a perpendicular AB. This line will represent the velocity of the B with respect to A. That will be the BA. Now first with respect to A, O we have been drawn a line VA, that is the vector VA, and similarly with respect to O we have been drawn a line B, that will be the B. Now we have been joined that line from A to B or from B to A, that will form as a vector BA. So this will be the vector A, this will be the vector B. Now this will form as a vector BA, right? Through O draw the line parallel to VB intersecting the line of VB at B. Now we have been drawn a line of VB, that is a line which is intersecting at the point VB, that is a vector BA. So now measure OB, which gives the required velocity of point B. Now we need to measure from O to B, so that will give the required velocity of the vector point B. Now we can able to see this. So that is which vector when we intersect or bisect, it will form as an AD. So that will be called as a vector DA. That what we can able to is we can able to measure the angle, and when you join this vector B, that is from B to D. So the vector dB where we can able to measure, that is a pressure angle that we can able to measure the pi. So this forms about an vector that is the motion of a link, and even the velocity diagram that has been formed on a velocity of a point on a link by a relative velocity method, where we can able to find out the relative of a point on a link. By using this method we can able to find out the velocity, both the motion and velocity of this particular links. So now we'll move to the velocities in slider crank mechanism. How we can able to find out the velocity in the slider crank mechanism. So mainly in this model we're going to discuss about the motion, acceleration and vectors, that is along with the vectors mainly we'll be discussing about the velocities. So velocities in slider crank mechanism. So mainly in the previous part, that what we have been discussed is the relative velocity method for velocity of any point on the link whose direction of motion and velocity of some other point on the same link, right? So this will be what we have been discussed in the previous topic, that was the relative velocity method for the velocity of any point on a link whose direction of motion and velocity of some other point on the same link, that is known as what the velocity is. Now by considering the same method may be also applied for the velocity in slider crank mechanism. See what the method we have been used in the to find the velocity in a point by using the relative velocity method. In a same method or by the same process, we can able to find out the velocity in the slider crank mechanism also. So a slider crank mechanism is known as shown in the figure. The slider crank is attached to the connecting rod AB. Let the radius of the crank OB be the R, and let it be the rotates in the clockwise direction about the point O with uniform axial angular velocity, that is omega radians per second. So that we'll see in the diagram. So this is how the single slider crank mechanism. Because of this motion only, the crank starts rotating and the motion will be formed, right? So now we can able to see this. So a slider crank mechanism as shown in the figure. The slider A is attached to the connecting rod AB. We can able to see this slider A is attached to this connecting rod AB. We can able to see this AB. Let the radius of the crank OB be the R, and let it rotates in the clockwise direction. So let the radius of crank OB and the radius will be R, rotates in the clockwise direction. This R will rotates in the clockwise direction. So therefore the velocity of B, that is vector B, is known as magnitude in direction. The slider reciprocates along the stroke of A. See this slider reciprocates along with this stroke of A. Whenever it is moving, this reciprocates along with the OA. Then again it goes back to its initial position. So this is how the slider crank mechanism will be works. That is vector B. To find the vector B, that will be nothing but omega into R, where R is nothing but a radius of O to B, and omega is the radians per second. So this is how the vector diagram will be formed when the reciprocating movement takes place, that is AB to O vector B, and this is the vector A, and which is the point is intersecting at A1, and when we bisect that, it will be joined to the E1. So the velocity of a slider A may be determined in the velocity, that is determined in this form. From any point O, draw the vector OB parallel to the direction of VB. That is what the procedure what we have been discussed. Since AB is a rigid link, therefore the velocity of A relative to B is perpendicular to AB, and now we can able to draw the vector to point B to A. For drawing this vector O to A, again joining the line from O to B, then we have been joining the line from B to A, that will form a vector AB. This is the line where vector B, and this is the line represents the vector A. From point O, draw the vector OA parallel to the path of motion of the slider. The vectors B and OA intersect at A. Now OA represents the velocity of the slider, that will be the VA to the scale. So the angular velocity of the connecting rod AB, that is the omega AB, may be determined as MAB will be equal to V, that is vector BA by AB, will be equal to AB by small ab by capital AB, where you can able to see that small a is nothing but the vector diagram, and the capital AB is nothing but a slider crank mechanism, and the small AB notice the velocity diagram. So by using this equation, we can able to find out the velocities in the single slider crank mechanism. So by using this vector diagram and a slider crank mechanism, we can able to find out the velocity of a single slider crank mechanism. By using this equation, MAB will be equal to VBA by AB will be equal to AB by AB. Small a indicates the vector diagram, capital A indicates the slider crank mechanism. Thank you.